Welcome, 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 welcome. Today is 11th day of November. Guess what, guys? It's St. Martin Day. Yes, happy St. Martin Day to all the beautiful people in St. Martin, all the locals, non-locals. Once you're living on the island, happy St. Martin Day to you guys. So today I'm going to attempt a dish. St. Martin dish is Johnny cake and chicken leg. So today I'm going to try to incorporate sweet potato into Johnny cake. So today I'm going to make for you guys sweet potato Johnny cake. Yes. Let me get my cutting board because this is not working out in my hand. Sweet potato Johnny cake. So as you can see, I'm peeling almost full my sweet potato for my Johnny cake, and I'm going to cook these baby. I'm going to cube them up and I'm going to put them in some water and I'm going to cook them. Then I'm going to mash them out. Then I'm going to incorporate them with some flour, some baking powder, some salt, some vanilla, some cinnamon, some carnation milk, some butter. Yes, guys, and we're going to cook up ourselves or fry up ourselves some delicious St. Martin Johnny cake. So stay true, guys. That's to cook. Okay, guys, so the potato is finished, as you can see, to cook. I'm just going to turn off the stove, strain it off, and leave it to cool. So as you can see, I'm just mashing my potato, like that. Mash it. Make sure you mash it while, as soon as it come off the fire, that's it going to get hard, because you know potato can sometimes get dry. Or if you find it getting dry, just add a little bit of carnation milk to it and whip it out. Push that aside. So over here, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. I'm going to add some cinnamon. I'm going to give it some flavor. Half teaspoon of salt. Going to add some butter. Half stick of butter. Make sure your butter is cold. Mix everything together, like so, like that. Break up the butter in the flour in small pieces. Now I'm going to add my potato. I'm just going to eyeball it. About a cup of potato, sweet potato to it. Mix it in. Then I'm going to add my carnation milk, eyeballing it again, about a teaspoon of vanilla, St. Martin is known for their Johnny cake, so I do plain Johnny cake already. I do pumpkin Johnny cake, so I say, why not try sweet potato Johnny cake on St. Martin's Day? So let's see how this turns out. Now I'm going to incorporate everything together. As you can see, because I add the carnation milk and the sweet potato, it already like this. So you don't need a lot of water to mix it together, just a little bit. Meanwhile you're pouring your water, you just watch to see if it want more or it want less. Wow, it smells like sweet potato pudding. Carry everything. You see, I just use a little bit of water there, and I'm carrying everything together. See, just a little bit of water you need, and that's about it. And I'm going to leave this to rest for like half an hour before I start to roll it out and fry it. You can do this overnight and get up in the morning, take it out of the fridge for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then you fry it just like that. You see guys, that's it. What I'm going to do, because it's St. Martin Day and you know it's chicken leg and Johnny cake, so what I'm going to do, this is some chicken leg quarter I already washed and seasoned with some complete season, some garlic powder, some sesame, and a little bit of paprika. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take me piece like so, like that, and I'm going to place it on my grill. The rain falling, we can't grill outside, but we definitely can do it inside. So just like that, and I'm going to grill up those, and we're going to eat Johnny cake and chicken leg. Okay guys, so this is the time I'm going to turn my chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to dust my board with a little bit of flour. So like that. Take my rolling pin and I'm going to roll them. I don't want them too flat, too big. I think this size is good enough. Right, you see? How much you want? 2? Like that. This chicken having me crazy. Okay, if you come over this side. over here by the fryer. I have some oil heating, so I'm just going to place the Johnny cake inside the deep fryer. Woo! Float right up. Right up. So now I'm just going to take off my chicken from off the grill, and I'm going to place it in a 350-degree oven to finish to roast. You can see my Johnny cake is finished. So I'm just going to pull it from the deep fryer, put it on a piece of paper towel so the oil can drain from it. Look at these. You see how pretty they've been? This is the second batch.
Hey, mommy. 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 Hey, mommy.
So guys, it's now for the taste test. Gonna dip it in some barbecue sauce because the St. Martin people love to do it. If you don't, guys, do not. If you're from St. Martin and you don't like to do this, you're not a real St. Martin person.
Really? Well, I'm not a real St. Martin's person. That's how we do it inside Shakima kitchen. High five, Sarah. Good job, Shakima. Good job. Good job. It's the bomb. Wow.
In St. Martin, the Dutch side, we talk Dutch, and on the French side, they talk French. So that would make us very unique.
Oh, it's so cool.
What's in your mouth? Ah, open. Okay, guys. It come out real good. The texture and everything is real good. Look at that. Can you believe this is sweet potato Johnny cake?
Look at that.
This is a bomb. This is my new Johnny cake. So I leave from plain Johnny cake to pumpkin Johnny cake to sweet potato Johnny cake. Wonder what next? But it tastes good. You know, when you're eating something and you can't get enough of it, you keep on pushing it inside your mouth. This is how it tastes there. Real good. Anyway, guys, we're out. We're just waiting for the chicken to come out of the oven, and then we will plate it up and show you guys what it looks like. Bye.